Hot diggity dame. Gotta get out. I can't see. I almost passed out.
Not meaning to sound morbid, boss, but this is your festival. I think you should have your own bucket list.
Whoa. I think on that bucket list should be slamming that ass, girl.
Listen up. Word around the festival is that our next site is already being scouted. And
What?
it's way out in the beautiful Australian outback. How cool does that sound? I'm still searching for some more sources to confirm it, but never fear. Detection
Yo, let's
is
do
on the case.
King of the
As soon
Mountain.
as I've got some more clues, you will be the first to know, I promise. And in the meantime, keep it locked to Pulse for more tunes like this.
Well, tits. I'm gonna slam on you with your booty cheek. The hell? Why is people just stealing my
We
car?
have a team watching forecasts, and they put together something special for you. Blizzard races. High speed, nasty weather, visibility close to zero. Doesn't that sound like fun?
It sounds like you want to kill me. Are you the queen from Resident Evil, or what the fuck's going on with you? We're supposed to get past all these motherfuckers in this blizzard? Oh, crank that, soldier boy. Get off me, son. I don't like you so close. You're too close, man. Bring it back to the bottom of the map. Now what? Is it a Geo? What the hell are you doing out here? This shit's probably gonna shut down. You're gonna freeze to death. Why are you saying it's red when it ain't red? The only reason I have the lines on is so I can get better at the line. What the f— God damn. I guess we're risky. Risky business. That was okay. We're gonna throw your slutty ass in. Oh. He's quick as shit. That's how it's done. Oh my god. It's like I'm fucking died and I'm in heaven. Oh my god. Oh god. Wait, that put me on the roll for this. Oh, I thought those were bonus boards. You fucking liar! God damn you. You lied. You lie. Holy Schneiser. Wow. This don't feel bad at all. It's kind of swishy. Feels like you're riding on ice. Wait a minute. This is like we're doing on the street right now. With a fucking caravan. All-wheel drive turbo. Yeah, you can do that with a minivan. Woo! Kill us! Oh! Tits, yeah.